preschoolers. We have been having so much fun in preschool learning about transportation. Now, remember our rule about transportation. If something will take you from one place to another place, it is transportation. How about this bus? Can a bus take you from one place to another place? Yes, a bus is transportation. I'm going to put my bus right here. How about, oh, this red car? It looks like an SUV. Can a red car take you from one place to another place? Yes, it can take you to the store. It can take you to the park with your family. It can take you all over the place. A car is transportation. Oh, I've got another car. Oh, this is a little blue sporty one. Now, can a little blue sporty car take you from one place to another? It sure can, just kind of like the red SUV. It can take you all over town. So, we read a book this week, and it was called Go, 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 Stop. And it was all about transportation moving through a town and on the roads. And remember, you have to have it just right, just enough go and just enough stop, or people might crash. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. And to get us warmed up, let's look at our traffic light. Now, who remembers, what does the red light tell us to do? Good remembering. Put your hand out, give it a karate chop, and let's say the word stop. That's the sign for stop. The red light tells the cars to stop. What about the green light? What does the green light tell the cars to do? You're right. If you said go, this is how we say go with our sign language. Go. The green light says go, and the red light says stop. Oh, this is a tricky one. This one showed up at the very end of our book. What does the yellow light tell us to do? Think about that one for a minute. The yellow light, you are right, tells us to go slow. So let's say our poem together. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Slow, says the yellow light. Blinking in between. Very good, preschoolers. That is a fun poem that tells us what the stoplight, or it tells us to do, and tells the cars what to do. Now, I've got a bunch of lights here. Oh, they're not really lights. They're pieces of flannel. But the green ones look kind of like the green light. And the yellow ones look kind of like the yellow light. And the red ones look kind of like the red light. So we're going to pretend, preschoolers, that these are lights. Let's see how many we have. Move my cars out of the way here. Oh, you can help me out. I'll count them. 1, 2, 3. How many yellow lights do I have? You're right, if you said 3. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I need to count them, but sometimes I can just look with my eyes and know that that's 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow lights. Oh, what do I have now? I have red. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3 red lights. I have 3 yellow lights and I have 3 red lights. Now I know I have 3 yellow lights, so I don't even really need to count the red ones. I can look and see that I have the same amount of red as I have of yellow. Alrighty, I've got some green. What does the green tell us to do? You are right, go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 green lights too. And again, I can see I have the same amount, so I know that I have 3 yellow, 3 red, and 3 green. Oh, good job, preschoolers. Now I'm going to get my pointer stick here. And I'm going to come back. And this time, we know that we have 3 of each color, but this time let's count them all and see how many we have in all. If we put them all together and keep counting, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! We have 9 in all. Let's count them again. This time you say the numbers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, 9 in all. Now I wonder what would happen if I mixed them up. Would we still have 9? Close your eyes. I'm going to mix them up and let's see what happens when you open your eyes. Close your eyes. Close them tight. Open! Wow, they look different, don't they? I've got them all mixed up. Oh, let me push them down so they don't fall. I wonder how many we have now. Let's count them and see if it's the same. They look different. They're all mixed up. Let's start at the top and let's see if we have the same. You predict in your mind what will happen. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, we still have the same. It looks different. I mixed them up. I don't have a row of yellow on the top or a row of green or a row of red. They're all mixed up, but I still have the same. I didn't put any more out, and I didn't take any away. It's the same. Now I wonder what would happen if I took some away. Close your eyes. Close them tight. Open. Do you see something that's missing? If you said the green lights, you are correct. I took all the green ones and I put them over here. So now let's count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I still have the same amount? No, I don't. I took my green lights away. Here, I'll put them back up here. 1, 2, 3. Now I have them all back again. I wonder if there's 9 if we count them again. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I have them all back. There's 9 again. Oh, that was really great counting, preschoolers. And I like the way that you could tell when things look different. Now this time, preschoolers, I think we need to build some stoplights. Now remember, our stoplight looks like this. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Slow, says the yellow light, blinking in between. Let's see if we can make some of these. Look carefully. What color is on top? On top. You are right. It is red. I'm going to make one right here. Red on top. Here, I'll scoot all these over here so they're out of the way. Red on top. Stop. Now, which one goes on the bottom? We've got red on top. What color should I put on the bottom? If you said green, you are correct. Red on the top and green on the bottom. It looks the same. And what color goes in the middle? You are right. Yellow goes in the middle. Red on top, green on the bottom, and yellow in the middle. Let's do it again. What color goes on top? You are right. Red. I'll put our red on the top. Move these out of the way. What color goes on the bottom? You are right again. Good paying attention. Green goes on the bottom. And what color goes in the middle? That's the tricky one. You are correct. Yellow goes in the middle. Oh, I have another street light that I made. Red on top, green on the bottom, and yellow in the middle. Red on top, green on the bottom, and yellow in the middle. Now, preschoolers, this time I'm going to make it a little bit more tricky. I'm not going to start with the top color. I'm going to ask you a question. You have to listen to my words very carefully. What color goes on the bottom if we're going to make a stoplight? What color goes on the bottom? I thought I could trick you. If you said green, you are correct. Green is on the bottom. Now listen carefully. What color goes on the top if you're going to make a stoplight? What color do I need on top? If you said red, you are correct. And I have one left. What color goes in the middle? That's right, our yellow goes in the middle. Well, preschoolers, you helped me build 3 stoplights. 1, 2, 3. We used all of our lights and made 3 stoplights. Nice job, preschoolers. Let's end our session by saying our poem one more time. Get your hand out, get ready for the karate chop. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Slow, says the yellow light, blinking in between. Well, thank you for helping me build my stoplights and for counting them with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.